So, you want to live on Billionaires Row here in Freeport. That is the St. George Estate. One of the original founders of Freeport was Edward St. George, and all of these pink gates are part of his St. George Estate. But what's interesting here is here in Freeport, Billionaires Row, is that in this particular area, you can actually purchase, you can't make up your mind, it's okay. You want Oceanfront, you got it, or you want Canal. So you can buy both. So these are actually, they become one lot where you have your single family home right here, single family home here, or whatever, how many lots you buy. You could do multifamilies. One house down there actually bought 3 lots, so they have their home stretches for 3 lots on the ocean. This is actually the caretaker's house they did build here, and then they're going to be building back on the ocean here. So they make them all the way down this area here called Billionaires Row. Absolutely gorgeous. And this is a place where you can be as well and have it all. You got the canal for your boat, you got the oceanfront for you here in Freeport. And by the way, you need to buy, this is within the boundaries of Freeport so that you are not paying any property taxes. Pretty cool. Yeah, but you have to within the province of Freeport, and I can help you with that.